Hello everybody, let's get a look at the worms. I just got home from work. I had to work this weekend again, and this should be my last weekend until after my surgeries and stuff, and then I gotta recover and then I'll be back. But I'm gonna check out the worms real quick, and then we're gonna dig into bin number 4. Oh wow, look at you guys. Oh, the wormies. That's awesome. Look at them over in that corner. That's nice, I like to see that. You only get to look at them once like this. Oh wow. Because after you look at them, you put the cover on, they'll go down. And they'll come back up in a few hours. But I gotta feed them tonight after I go through bin number 4. Oh wow, look at these guys. That is awesome. I just love to see them up on top like that. That guy got flipped underneath the deal. This is the bin we're gonna dig in. Just gonna go and see what temperature it is. Oh wow, 21 degrees Celsius, 69, not bad. It was 54 degrees here today. That is crazy. Put that away, let's check out these guys. Oh wow, look at all the babies on there. That's really cool. Love to see that. Awesome. This bin has the least amount in it. Not sure how many worms are in here. I think there's not even, maybe a pound in this one. I split it and took a bunch out of it. But yeah, awesome. That in the middle, that gross looking stuff, that's coffee grounds, and that's what it looks like after, I don't know when I put it in here. Let's see. I wrote it down somewhere. I wanted to see how long it would take them to go through a pile of coffee grounds. They don't like coffee grounds as much as I thought they would. But I've been cleaning out all this space over here because I'm about to put some shelves up, because all this back area, and yeah, that's only 20 feet deep, not 25. It's 20 feet deep and it's 24 feet across. But I'm gonna put all the worms back here, and all that's getting moved out. It's gonna get totally taken out of the farm eventually, but not for a few weeks. Now let's check out the last 2 bins here. Oh wow, that apple has been there. It looks like it's finally starting to go. I don't know. I think since the 17th of January. Oh, and this bin has got the second least amount in it, because it was just a baby bin. Anyway, let's get over here and dig into this bin. I'm gonna put you around on the other side. Yeah, you can see where all the stuff went from that side of the room to this side of the room. I found that an easy way of cleaning up would be to just take everything out and only put back what you need. But it's been nasty outside, and there was snow on the ground until today in front of my shop, or otherwise I would have taken everything out. Let me see if I can get this to focus down in here. That might be good enough. I'll turn on the light so you can see better. But I just want to dig into this real quick, because I'm going to turn all the bins. I was going to do it this weekend, but I ended up having to work. So I'm going to end up waiting until Monday, because I don't work Monday. And boy, there's a lot on this. Look at that. That is wild. All those babies. I had to dump the baby bins into these bins. And I dumped them into a few of the bins because they got so cold and I got scared. Which is silly in hindsight after it's still kind of loose over there. I just want to see how compact it is and just kind of get an idea of what I got to deal with most of the bins I got, because they've all, I think this is the longest one and there's nothing left in here besides worms and cocoa core. Cocoa core takes forever to break down. And that stuff, I had 30 pounds to start out with. That was over 7 months ago. And there is still fresh looking cocoa core in almost all of these bins. Yeah, not bad. I thought it would be a little more compact than this, because the last time I turned on, they were really compact. But it's going to be a little worse here towards the center. Try to get in here without hurting anybody. Look, that's an avocado. It's actually growing roots. But it's got babies all over it. I'm just going to flip this up and do this. That might be the easiest. Yep. There they go. That's better. Yeah, it's looking good. No bad spots, no dry spots. Make sure I don't have babies all over my hands. Get this straight again. But yeah, just a bunch of worms. A little bit of food that was just on top here in the middle, but you don't see any bad spot underneath it. And that's been, God, what was the last time I turned this? Wow, a few months. It's been since November. So that's awesome. Wow, these guys are just, look at this. And that's pretty cool. I love seeing that, just the big balls of worms and watching them squirm. That is really awesome. I love it when you get a little baby worm ball and they just have, it looks like they have tentacles just sticking out everywhere, but they're just poking out and wiggling like crazy. It's always fun to see. Yeah. I don't have a ton of worms in these bins. This one's probably got 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds in it. Ow. Yeah, probably a lot more than that once the babies grow up. But because there's more babies in here than there are adults. But I got to do this to all the bins. That's it for tonight. I'm going to straighten this all back up. Then I'm going to feed and water everybody. And I got some frozen veggies that I thawed out that I am going to pile in the middle of all the bins again, because they're all pretty low, as you can see. So it's time to feed them again. But thank you everybody for watching.